So how can you improve the camera quality of your Android device using this app in front of you of the screen right here? Today in this video, I'll show you exactly how. So let me show you first how to get the app. Now go to your browser and search for iOS Camera Softonic. Tap on the first website that pops up from the results and you'll find the app at the top of the list. Tap on free download. Wait for a couple of seconds, tap on free APK, again wait for a little bit, and then tap on download. Once the file is downloaded, go ahead and install it and it will be in your device. After that, we go ahead and open the app. And then from here, tap on Let's Capture right there. Tap on HD Camera. Give the app all of the permissions that it asks for it to work properly. Once you do that, tap on HDR in the top. Tap on the gear icon in the top right corner. Tap here. And then tap on this ball icon right there. Just like that. Now once you take pictures using this app, the photos will be very much better than the ones your phone takes. And that's it for this video, guys. I hope it was useful. Please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one, and thanks for watching.